we're doing one of my favorite things today. Purple in an eye. I'm going to show you guys how to create the look that I have on right now. A really nice bronze smoked out eye with a hint of purple. It's very wearable and it just brings out shades in your eyes that you didn't even know were there. It's the reason makeup exists, to enhance your beauty, not take away from it, make you feel like you. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, that you can follow along, and make sure to tell me in the comments what you've enjoyed. Doing this eye look a lot recently. I'm gonna take you through step by step, make it super simple. It's really flattering for brown eyes. I would love to see this done on any other eye color, so please, if you ever recreate it, tag me in it. I'm Sloane Glass. You can find me at Sloane QVC, so please make sure to let me know. I would just love that. My hair is a mess, and I can't find my clip, so... Oh, by the way, this is a jumpsuit. Do you like it? Well, we are painting, right? We're face painting. I feel like I can never do my makeup with my hair down. Bravo to you women who can. I found my hair clip. Okay. You know what I should do to make me look more like an artiste? Put a thing through my hair. Like a, no. Look, the brush through my hair. Anywho, we are going to start out by getting our eyes nice and prepped. This is Becca's Under Eye Brightening Corrector. It's a peach-based corrector. It's great for the under eye. Sometimes I can wear this in no concealer, but I also like to use it before I do any shadow because it's a little tacky, so it creates a really nice surface to stick to. And it's really good with the warmth of the fingers. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in to take you guys into the journey that is creating the eye look. I need a little lip gloss or else I won't be able to concentrate. This is from Becca. It's gorgeous. It's blue in the bottle, but when it goes onto your lips, it creates the nicest shade of pink. It's their Liptuitive Glow Gloss. Now I can concentrate. I am going to use two main palettes for this look. The first one is from Urban Decay. It's their Elements palette. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I'm a huge fan of this. It has a ton of rainbow colors that I love to experiment with, but we are going to be using the bronze shades as well as this holographic lunar shade in the center that you can add to any shade to make it really pop. The other palette that we are going to use a lot is the Tarte Lit Toasted. It's that palette that I talk about because it smells like marshmallows, but this is perfect for creating a bronzy look. We are going to start with our Tarte palette and the matching brush and go in with the shade S'more and Cashmere. And really taking our time to buff out the color. And then a bit of the shade Sunrise in the inner corner. And we don't want this to get too big, so really take your time to buff it out. Be gentle. It's your eye, it's a sensitive area. And now you're going to want to take the shade Sunset. That's the shade that has the most shimmer, the most sparkle. That's where you're going to get that bronze look from. Sorry, I bent down, I grabbed a bunch of things. And you're going to take Sunset onto your brush and overlay it all over the whole lid for this look. This is a bronze look, so don't be afraid to get in there with the shade. Awesome. And once you've totally covered the eye, ooh, look how bronze. Once you've totally covered the eye, we're going to grab our Urban Decay palette and go in with the shade Elemental. We're taking the smallest bit of the shade. It's highly pigmented. It's a burnt orange shade. And that's where we're gonna go into our crease to create some definition. Perfect. You should feel very soothed doing this. Now I'm gonna take the shades Moon Rock and mix that a bit with Volcanic and go over that crease again. Wonderful. Now I'm gonna take more of Tectonic and mix it with Moon Rock and just lay it down on the outer corners. And once you feel like you have enough of that bronze shade, that's when you're going to go in with Fool's Gold, best on your finger, because it is so sparkly, so gold, so highly pigmented. You only need a little, and just dab it where you want the gold. Awesome. This is like a rock star eye. This is rock star. Now it is time to do my trick. This is how I perfect my bronzy eyes. I take the same shade I used to contour with to bronze that day. Today it was Givenchy in shade number 2 of their Healthy Glow Powder. Whatever shade you use onto your face, it's all about continuity. It's all about tying it together, creating a natural looking glow. And blend that shade almost all around. Don't worry. It's light, it's supposed to be a bronzer, so it's really just going to kind of mute everything and create an overall bronze. It's gonna create the same effect that a hair toner would after you get your hair colored, where it just creates a wash. See how that ties everything together? I am going to take the shade Tectonic, which has that nice dark bronze, a bit of Moon Rock, and a bit of Lioness, which has a slight purple, and go under my eye ever so slightly. Oh my gosh, I was just looking for a brush and I totally forgot that I put it in my hair. Cool. Now for the fun part, we're going to take Ego and Hex Remedy, mix them together to create the ultimate purple shade. You can use whichever purple that you want. One is dark, one is very bright. I like them both so much that I'm mixing them. We're mixing these two together for our under eye and just dragging that across. We want that pop, ladies. Pop of color. You don't want to go too thick, but you want enough that it looks intentional. And I'm taking it all the way across my eyes. And once I feel confident in the amount of purple, I'm going to take that Luna shade that I talked about in the beginning, the one that adds glow to anything, and I'm gonna pat it right over the purple. And that's really going to make it pop. I'm gonna take my eyeliner from Mally. I think this is just a black color. Let's see, graphite. And tight line under my eyes. And then take the eyeliner along my lash line. To keep in with the theme of it being really smoky, toasty, bronzy, I'm going to go back into my Tarte lip palette and take the Crackle shade, which has a nice little bit of shimmer into it, but is really brown, and go over my lash line on top. Mascara for this look needs to be volume, volume, volume. So I'm using from bareMinerals their LASHTOPIA. Super volumizing, super black. I really like, for my mascara, I go under and I grab every single lash, and then I also go above and curl around. I'm going to skip the bottom lashes of mascara just because I feel like for this look it's nice to just show off the purple. I'm going to put on the other eye and come back to you. Full face. now that the eye is fully on, I hope you guys can see the impact of having that hint of purple with a smoky bronzy eye. I think it just makes my eyes pop and look so much bigger than they actually are, which is so nice. I love this look. I do it a lot because I think it's uber flattering. I think it looks really great on a lot of different eye colors for my brown-eyed girls. I really can't just sit still. Like, I have to put this lip gloss on because I see it. I think it looks really, really good. But, remember to let me know other videos that you guys want to see in the comments below. Subscribe. You can always follow me on Instagram. I'm Sloane Glass, and you can find me at SloaneQVC. Bye.